Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Messages or FaceTime and selecting the camera or Memoji button so the True Depth system can read your face. Make sure your device is unlocked and running the latest iOS. This ensures the tracking algorithms are up to date. Once done, hold the phone at eye level and keep the background simple so the sensors focus on your features. You're starting the real-time capture now, which lets the Memoji mirror your expressions accurately. Now you select or create the Memoji you want to animate because shape and details improve perceived tracking accuracy. Apply the Memoji overlay in the live camera view and grant any camera permissions if prompted. Without permission, the face data won't feed the model. Then make a few deliberate expressions. Smile, raise eyebrows, open mouth, so the system can map your range of motion. This quick calibration helps the software correlate your muscle movements to the avatar's rig. Finish by testing the Memoji in different expressions and recording a short clip to confirm responsiveness. This is how you verify eye, mouth, and head movement match. If tracking drifts, make sure lighting is even and remove hats or glasses that block the True Depth sensors, then reposition the phone closer or farther. If problems persist, restart the app or the phone and check for an iOS update. These steps often resolve software glitches and restore full face tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.